Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, with the new lecture of communication systems, I'm here, and hopefully you all of you are fine with your families and friends. Stay safe, stay home. This is the better, I think, suggestion at this time. But right now you are having a live lecture on communication systems, so we will come to the point shortly. Today we will study about the digital telephone set. What is a digital telephone set? As we studied in the last lecture, that the first telephone sets were on electromechanical dialing system, and in electromechanical dialing system, there were lots of equipments which were too much costly as compared to the latest digital telephone sets. The latest digital telephone sets were the advanced shape of older electromechanical telephone sets. With the passage of time, as electronics advances, the electromechanical telephone sets adopted the semiconductor technology that was having IC technology. Basically, that was an IC technology, and the IC technology was more less costly and easy to use than the older electromechanical technology. So I will inshallah discuss with you in future about more parts of like the difference between electromechanical telephone sets or digital telephone sets. Right here, shortly I'm coming towards the brief description of the block diagram, which is elaborating the digital telephone set. So this is basically the block diagram of digital telephone set. The first part, it's the basic parts. Number one, transmitter. Transmitter is basically a microphone. It is a transducer. Why it is a transducer? Because it converts our audio physical energy into electrical form. The device that converts one sort of energy into another sort of energy is called transducer, and both speaker and microphones are two transducers. Both are working oppositely in direction, but here microphone is a transducer that converts our physical voice audio frequency into electrical energy. Second one is the receiver. Basically, speaker is the receiver, used as receiver. It is also a transducer because it converts electrical energy into audible energy or audible frequency. The third one is speech IC. Speech IC is that IC which basically converts the electrical signals or matches the electrical energies signals towards the speaker or the microphone. The basic purpose of speech IC is to make four line connection to two wire connection or two wire connection to the four wire connections at the time when the signals are coming from the telephone exchange. The second point is dial IC. Dialing IC is basically that IC which provides the magnetic system to the keypad, and the keypad is used having the 9 digits, which is basically the rubber groove system that have the 9, 10 digits, which are comprised of 1 to 0 and a hash and a standing number that was applicable while dialing a number to the other number. It's basically it's a switching unit that is dialing. The second one is bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier converts the electrical signals coming from the telephone exchange into DC signaling. Because the rectifier is used to convert the signals, alternating current signals into pure DC signals. Okay. Now this is the cradle switch. Cradle switch is basically used as you know that it is used as a two-way switch. When the incoming call comes toward the subscriber, it is off, and the ringer is on. Ringer, basically ringer is a bell. Ringer is loudly, it makes a noise, or it makes an alert that alerts the subscriber. When subscriber removes the switch, the telephone handset from the cradle switch, the connection between telephone exchange and subscriber is on, and the ringer goes down. It means that the ringer stops, it's working or ringing on and off, while the cradle switch is basically a two-way switch. And subscriber A begins its communication through telephone exchange with subscriber B. These two wires are basically telephone lines which are connected with telephone exchange. Uh, I think, this whole topic, you may understand this topic very easy, and it's not too much difficult. And hopefully, you may understand this lecture. And if you found any kind of problem, you may ask me on Google Classroom or my WhatsApp number. Inshallah, I will reply you. This was today's lecture. If you find any kind of problem, you may ask me. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.